Welcome to kidsacademy.mobi.
Hello everyone, let's open the worksheet. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. You can find the link to this app in comments below. Okay, so we've got on our worksheet today common prefixes re, pre, and miss. A prefix is added at the beginning of a word to change its meaning and to form a new word. So let's look here. We've got pre, which means before. So for example, preview means you get to watch something or you view it before you would normally see it. So like when you go to a preview of a movie, that means you get to watch it before it normally comes out. Miss means wrongly. So for example, you misunderstood or you wrongly understood something. The last one is re, which means again. The example is to rebuild. So like let's say we were to build it and it were fall down and we built it again, that would be to rebuild or to do it again. Look at each picture. Check the correct prefix to complete each word. So we've got number 1. It says your shoes are blank matched. Are they pre-matched, mismatched, or rematched? So let's think about what each one of those prefixes mean. The first one means pre, which means before matched, mismatch, which would mean wrongly matched, or rematch, which would mean matched again. Let's look at the picture over here to see if it can give us a clue. Well, look at this little guy down here. It looks like his shoes, he's got one red shoe and one green shoe. So that would mean that it's wrongly matched or mismatched. So missed would be our correct answer here, okay? Let's go down to number 2. Number 2 is the baker blank heated the oven. Did he preheat or preheated the oven, misheated the oven, or reheated the oven? Now, pre or re sounds right to me, but I'm not sure which one it is. So let's kind of look at the picture for help. It looks like our baker over here has maybe a pie or a pizza or something that he's wanting to put in the oven over here. So in order to heat that up, he has to heat it up to a certain degree or temperature in order to cook it. So that would mean that he would need to heat it up before he actually starts to cook it. The baker blank heated the oven. Well, which one means before? Pre means before, so he preheated the oven. So we're going to put a check right over here. So he warmed it up before he actually started to cook it, okay? The last one says, Ava blank placed all the buttons on her dress. She pre-placed, misplaced, or replaced. Now, I bet that misplaced or replaced both sound like real words, but we're going to use the picture over here to help us understand what she's doing. It looks like Ava has got a sewing machine, so it looks like she's trying to fix something on her dress, and she's got her buttons right over here. So pre-placed means she placed them on there before, and that probably doesn't make sense. Misplaced would probably mean that she wrongly placed them or she lost them. And it doesn't look like she lost them. She's got them right over here. So I'm going to guess it's replaced. Replaced means again. She probably had a dress and the buttons fell off and she had to replace them or sew them on again. That makes sense from our picture. So we're going to check right over here next to re. Ava replaced all the buttons on her dress. That makes sense. So you guys did a great job. Awesome. Bye-bye.
Like us and subscribe to our channel. Find links to our apps in comments below.